When you receive your Rascal Conquest four-wheel scooter, everything will be contained in one box. Carefully cut the box open and remove the packaging as well as the seat assembly, mirror, basket, and charger. Once removed, carefully cut the side of the box to easily remove the scooter. To begin setting up the scooter, remove the battery shroud. Next, locate the black and white battery cables and connect them to the scooter. Reattach the battery shroud cover. Now, place the seat on the seat post and attach the armrests by loosening the thumb screw. Slide the armrest into the receiver and use the small detent pin to secure and tighten the thumb screw to keep the arm tight. Repeat this on the other side. Next, affix the basket on the front of the tiller on the bracket. Your Rascal Conquest comes with one universal rearview mirror that can be placed on the right or left side of the tiller. Simply remove the rubber plug on either side near the top of the tiller and screw the mirror in until tight. Place the key into the key switch and setup is now complete. The Rascal Conquest four-wheel scooter is a mid-size scooter with a 350-pound weight capacity that comes standard with U1 batteries that provide up to 15 miles of range. The Conquest comes in red color through shrouding that is durable and shows red if ever nicked or scratched. The Conquest boasts a 2.44-inch ground clearance at the motor with 10-inch wheels in the rear and 9-inch wheels in the front to help maximize performance.